àpèjúbà o. Ara ẹ̀rọ̀rùn lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo. Títóbi nìyẹn Elédùmarè o. Ìwọ máa ga, ìwọ máa ga, ó ga jù àwọn òkè o.
You will be glad to hear a wonderful sound from BBO, Pelumi, Deborah and Tybello. There is no doubt that revival is in the gospel music industry this very year, as these three gospel artists have come up with a song that will connect you to God.
Watch out for Deborah.
Yes, I like that. Till everything changes. Till everything changes. Yes. It's perfect. I can't imagine you doing it any other way. You sound perfect.
Deborah.
For more updates on your favorite gospel artists, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel.